Progress, happiness, prosperity, and good health in life. Some people even work hard for this. But sometimes, due to some reason, the full result of hard work is not achieved, due to which money related problems start. In such a situation, along with hard work, people look for some solutions in astrology. Many types of solutions have been given in astrology for a happy life. By following these remedies, all kinds of obstacles in life can be removed. Along with this, success can also be achieved in every task. To get rid of problems, you can adopt some remedies related to yellow mustard. Apart from Vastu, some remedies have been told in astrology with yellow mustard seeds, which can remove the problems of life and open the way to progress. Usually used to enhance the taste of food and for health. But do you know that apart from kitchen, it is used for many other purposes? Yes. These yellow mustard seeds can remove the problems related to your life and open the way to progress. Before taking a bath every Tuesday, mix yellow mustard seeds in water and take a bath with it. By doing this, Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is pleased and wealth increases in the house. Tie some yellow mustard seeds, 5 cloves, 7 black peppers and a silver coin in a red cloth and keep it in the safe or the place where you keep money. While doing puja in the morning, put some yellow mustard seeds on cow dung cakes and burn them. After this, spread its smoke all over the house. By doing this, Goddess Lakshmi resides in the house. Tie some yellow mustard seeds in a yellow cloth and offer it to Goddess Banglamukhi. By doing this, every kind of financial problem is solved. Doing this, money-related problems start to end slowly. Burn some yellow mustard seeds and camphor in a silver or steel bowl. By doing this, the shortage of money goes away soon. Also, the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi remain in the house. To remove evil eye and for financial prosperity, sprinkle some yellow mustard seeds in the rooms of the house and sprinkle the remaining seeds all around the house. To overcome any money-related problems, purify yellow mustard with Gangajal on Thursday. Then tie some mustard seeds with camphor in a yellow cloth and hang it on the main door of the house. It is believed that this removes money-related problems. According to Vastu, sprinkle yellow mustard in the house every day. It is believed that this keeps positive energy flowing in the house. Along with this, there is abundance of food and money in the house. According to astrology, this removes problems related to business and job and opens the way to progress. If your house is haunted by evil spirits like ghosts, then burn mustard seeds with camphor. Take it around the house. By doing this, negativity of the house is removed and peace and happiness remains. If you are going to shift to a new house, then before entering, sprinkle yellow mustard in all the corners of the house. Every person wishes for happiness, prosperity, progress, wealth and good health in life. The yellow mustard remedy helps in getting rid of many problems like family disputes, negative energy, ancestral curse, evil eye etc. If there is a problem in job and recession in business, then the yellow mustard remedy is effective in strengthening the financial condition. One reason for all these problems can be the shadow of negative energy in the house. Because negativity in the house causes many problems. For this, many remedies have been told in astrology and Vastu. One of these is the remedy related to yellow mustard seeds. Yellow mustard is considered important for health and taste. The small seeds of yellow mustard present in the kitchen can solve your big problems in a jiffy. Take some seeds of yellow mustard from the head of the house to its feet and throw them away somewhere. Doing this removes obstacles in job and business.